If you're an anime fan or a manga fan, you definitely want to check out Wotakoi, Love is Hard for Otaku. I really like this manga because it's very realistic. It's not just like high school people or middle schoolers and all that. Like, I'm older, I'm not in high school or middle school anymore, so I like to read these type of manga that are more mature, more around my age. So basically, long story short, they're very good. They're close friends, and then they have another couple that are also friends, and then they like each other. He's a huge gamer. She's more of like an anime fan, and she's also like an otaku geek. So they work in the same place, and then they're talking about their interests and all of that. But he's very quiet. She's very outgoing. So they have to kind of like deal with that, I guess. Like like not the tension, but like growing and in the relationship, kind of like helping each other. Like he's too quiet, and then she's too all over the place. So then they kind of work on that. And this is the other couple that are also in the story. And then they're also friends with the other couples. And then they go out to drink, and they chat. So it's cool. There's a couple pages here that are colored, which is nice. And it's a pretty big volume one. So definitely want to check it out. If you're into like romance stories, but they're not just like boring, or if you're a gamer and an otaku and you also like romantic, or even just it has a lot of comedy in it too, so it's a mix. It's not just like straight romance. It's comedy, romance, gaming. That's why I like it, because it's entertaining, has the romance, and it gets like, if you're a gamer or an otaku or anything, it gets, this book will get you. And especially if you're a little bit older, and you just have like maybe like a boring job or something like that, you just will like refresh. You'll be like, oh, it was nice to read. Like, it's relaxing. You're like, okay, yeah, I enjoyed it. So definitely looking forward to reading more of it. And there's also an anime if you want to check it out. Hope you enjoy it.